Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to install plugin in WordPress website. Why would you want to know how to install plugin in WordPress website? There are too many plugins for WordPress website which can be used for different purposes like managing themes and writing engaging articles. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. First of all, open your WordPress website on your laptop, then click on Plugins, then click on Add New. Here is Classical Editor. Click on Install, then click on Activate. So we will check it. Click on Add New Post. So there you go. Now you can write anything here. If you were wondering how to install plugin in WordPress, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.